What's up, Amore Gang? We gang, it's a gang thing, and I'm back with another freaking vlog. Okay, so in this video, y'all can already tell by the title, this is going to be an unfurnished house tour. I'm starting at the community pool, y'all, because we went to see that as well. And y'all, it's kind of small, but I know my kids will love it. And it's currently fall right now, so we won't be able to get into the pool until next summer. Stay tuned. And here's the outside view of the new place, y'all, and I freaking love it. Like, I can't say it enough. I love it. This move was everything. Like, we really did our big one, y'all. We really did our big one. So right here is the front door and the hallway area, y'all. This hallway is really long. I can't wait to decorate it. Y'all stay tuned for a furnished house tour. Right here is the coat closet by the front door. You know, that's where we put all our big coats at, you know, stuff like that. And then right beside the coat closet is the downstairs bathroom, well, restroom or powder room, whatever you want to call it. It's a decent size, y'all. When I tell y'all, I can't wait to decorate. And then right here, this is a view of the hallway, y'all. Like I said, it's super long. I love it. I'm going to do so many things with that hallway. Now we're walking into the kitchen and the dining room area, y'all. Just look at the open concept. Like, y'all can't tell me this shit ain't fat. Like, oh my God, y'all, I cannot wait to decorate. But that's the dining room area right there. And here's a better view of the kitchen. And like I said, I love the open concept, y'all. It's giving everything it's supposed to give. So right now I'm walking to the pantry, y'all. Look how big the pantry is. And y'all know we eat a lot. I love to cook. Cooking is my niche, however you say it. The pantry area is going to get a video all by itself. Like, I'm going to give y'all a video of me decorating and stocking everything up in the pantry. Moving on to this closet right here, y'all. We didn't know what to do with this closet at first. It's super big. It's like the under the stairs closet. So we just decided to make it our prayer closet because we can't do anything without God. You feel me? Here's the living room area. This is a better view of it, y'all. And again, it's another open concept. I love the fireplace. I love the shelves. Everything is given. Here is the 2-car garage area, y'all. Can't wait to get my car so I can pull up in the garage. You feel me? You feel me? That's all the stuff that we put in there that we have to empty out, y'all. So when y'all get another view of the garage, none of those boxes will be right there. They're just there for now because we had to put them in the garage as we were moving. And guys, what I love so much about these stairs is the fact that they curve. They remind me of my old house on Broad Creek, except for there's no carpet. It's all wooden. I love that too because my kids are messy. Y'all know I got 3 kids. But heading upstairs, y'all can see this is the hallway area straight ahead. We're going to get into that. But right now, we're going to focus on the hallway linen closet right here. This is the upstairs hallway linen closet, y'all. You know, where you put your washcloths, blankets, towels, all of those things. And then right beside that, here is the laundry room. As y'all can see, we have a very nice laundry room, a very nice washer and dryer. It's very spacious. It's actually bigger than I expected, to be honest. So right now we're heading into bedroom number 1, which is the smallest bedroom. This is my kids' bedroom. Yes, they will be sharing a bedroom, but y'all gonna get a video of me decorating and furnishing their room as well. Their room is actually the perfect size for them, y'all. And it's only 1 window, but we do get a lot of sunlight. Here's their closet space. Again, their closet is super big for them, y'all. This room is just right for my 3 kids. So here's my workspace area right there, y'all, but we're gonna get back to that. Right here's bedroom number 2. This is actually my bedroom. Ignore all of the furniture that y'all see. I will be giving y'all a video of me revamping all of the furniture. It will not look like that once I give y'all the furnished house tour. Here's my closet, y'all. Y'all see how big my closet is. And I love the fact that I have a window in my closet too, y'all. That's the best part. And this is a better view of my work area space. Here's my bathroom, y'all. It's pretty big. Like I said, I love it because it came with the built-in shelves. I'm also going to give y'all a video of me revamping my shower, doing different tile, all of that. Y'all going to get a lot of content from me, y'all, I promise. Here's a view of the hallway again. Like I said, that's my office space area. I keep showing it because I'm walking past it so fast, y'all, so forgive me. Right now, we're going into bedroom number 3, which is the master bedroom. This is the biggest bedroom. This is my mom's room, y'all. It is super duper huge. Like, it is so huge, y'all. Like, it's so huge. She got a lot of stuff in there and it's still hella space. So here's a better view of the master bedroom so y'all can get the vibes, y'all. Like, Look how big it is. She has the most windows, which I'm grateful for because her room is actually facing the back of the house, so it's not as much sunlight. Here's another view of the room facing the hallway, and she has double doors, y'all. That's one of my favorite parts about this room. There's double doors and there's a ceiling fan. Turning to my left, here is the master bathroom. It's very, very huge. It's like a his and hers, but we switched it to a hers and hers. So one sink is hers, one sink is mine. This is her sink right here, and then my sink is further over towards the other side right here. This is my sink, y'all, and I love it. Here's her closet, y'all. She has a huge master closet, y'all. Like, when I tell y'all, and she needs it because my mom has so much stuff, y'all. I can't wait to give y'all a video of me doing her closet as well. Look how huge it is. It's like 3 sections in this closet, as y'all can see. The closet has like 3 sections. So coming back out, as you can see, guys, that's the door to the bathroom. Well, the toilet, but we're gonna get to that. This is the stand-up shower. That is the jet tub, jacuzzi tub, whatever you want to call it. I also love the fact that there's a window right there in the tub, because again, I don't like cutting on a lot of lights. I prefer natural sunlight over everything. So yeah, you see me cutting on the lights, but it's just to give y'all a better view, y'all. I don't like cutting on too many lights. So here's a good view of the jacuzzi, jet tub, whatever you want to call it. Again, this is the stand-up shower. It's huge. As y'all can see, me and my 3 kids can get in it and still have enough space. I promise. So this is my sink right here, y'all. Hey guys, that's me. That's my brother. But yeah, y'all, that's my mom's sink, like I said before. That's her closet. Okay, so moving forward, this is the separate toilet area / linen closet. So the master bedroom has its own linen closet, which I actually love even more. There's the toilet. I also love the fact that there's a window in here as well. We get a lot of natural sunlight, y'all. So yes, guys, this is our dining room area. It's a decent size, and as y'all can see, we have a lot of counter space, like a lot of counter space, y'all. But as time goes on, y'all gonna see the decorations. Y'all gonna see me furnish this house. That's the island part of the kitchen where the dishwasher is in the sink. And I'm saying that I was gonna put some chairs around the island part, but on both sides. So on that side as well as this side right here. Y'all, my brother is finally here. I'm so excited. So here's my other brother, and he walked in. Y'all, look at his face. He said, "This the house?" After he had already walked in, y'all. It took a minute for it to soak in, but we love you, brother.